Good evening, sir. I'm Rick Kim Anahaw. I am here tonight to answer the questions that you have given me. Number 1 questions. How important the entries of the logbook and other documents onboard the vessel? Answer. The logbook used to record various data, scenario, and situations, including emergency situation and action, which are later used for reference, case study, and for marine insurance purpose in case of damage to the ship or loss of ship's property should be properly filed without any errors. Number 2 question. How long should the logbooks and other documents, minimum years, should be retained on board? Answers. The cargo record book must be preserved for 3 years from the date of the last entry. The cargo record book must be properly completed. All noxious liquid substance, cargo, and ballast operations must be clearly and accurately recorded. That's all. Thank you, sir.